Hello guys. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to use drones for aerial photography and videography. Drones have become increasingly popular in recent years and have revolutionized the way we capture images and videos from above. The first step is to get yourself a good quality drone. There are many options out there, but make sure to do your research and invest in a reliable drone that suits your needs. Once you have your drone, it's time to start exploring and capturing the world from a bird's eye view. Before you take off, make sure to familiarize yourself with the drone and its controls. Read the manual, watch some tutorials, and practice flying in a safe, open area until you feel comfortable with the controls. When it comes to aerial photography and videography, the key is to find the right perspective. Drones can capture stunning shots from high up, giving you a unique view of the world. But don't be afraid to experiment with different angles and heights to find the perfect shot. One important thing to keep in mind is to always fly within the legal boundaries. Each country and region has different laws and regulations when it comes to flying drones, so make sure to do your research and follow the rules. Flying too close to people, buildings, or other aircraft can be dangerous and illegal. Now let's talk about camera settings. Drones usually come with built-in cameras or allow you to attach your own camera. Make sure to adjust your camera settings according to the lighting conditions and the type of shot you want to achieve. Shooting in RAW format will give you more flexibility in post-processing. Always make sure to fly responsibly and safely. Keep an eye on the battery life and weather conditions, and avoid flying in restricted areas. And don't forget to have fun and get creative with your shots. Aerial photography and videography with drones is not just about capturing stunning visuals. It's also about storytelling. By using a combination of shots, angles, and movements, you can create a narrative and evoke emotions in your audience. One technique to create dynamic shots is to use movements such as fly-ins, fly-outs, and fly-arounds. These movements add depth and dimension to your shots and create a sense of motion that draws your viewers in. Another technique is to use the drone's ability to hover in place to capture stable and smooth shots. This is particularly useful when shooting in windy conditions or when you need to focus on a specific subject. When it comes to shooting architecture or landscapes, it's important to pay attention to the composition. Use the rule of thirds to frame your shots and create a balanced and visually appealing image. And don't be afraid to experiment with different compositions to find the perfect shot. Finally, editing is an important part of the aerial photography and videography process. Use software such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro to edit and enhance your footage. Color grading, adding music, and using transitions can take your shots to the next level. So there you have it, some tips on how to use drones for aerial photography and videography. Remember to always fly safely and follow the rules, and most importantly, have fun and get creative with your shots. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!